Pickup trucks are supposed to be tough, reliable, and financially sensible vehicles that last for hundreds of thousands of miles. But not every truck lives up to that reputation. Today we're breaking down 10 pickup trucks that can quietly destroy your wallet if you're not careful. Let's start with number 10, the 2016 to 2019 Nissan Titan XD equipped with the 5.0-liter Cummins turbo diesel V8 engine. On paper, this truck looked like the perfect middle ground between a half-ton and a heavy-duty pickup. Nissan partnered with Cummins to create a diesel-powered Titan capable of serious towing while still being comfortable as a daily driver. However, the Titan XD struggled almost immediately in the market. Buyers didn't see the benefit of paying heavy-duty money for a truck that didn't quite match the capability of true heavy-duty trucks like the Ford F-250 or Ram 2500. As a result, resale values dropped quickly. Within 3 years, many Titan XD models lost nearly half their value. The diesel engine also brought higher maintenance costs, including expensive fuel system components, turbocharger maintenance, and emissions systems that could cost thousands to repair. The combination of heavy depreciation and costly maintenance means owners often lose significant money when it comes time to sell. Moving to number 9, the 2010 to 2014 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor, the first generation of Ford's legendary off-road performance truck. The Raptor is one of the most exciting pickups ever built, powered by a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 producing around 411 horsepower. It was designed for desert racing and high-speed off-road driving, which means everything about the truck is engineered for performance rather than affordability. Fuel economy is one of the biggest financial drawbacks. Many owners report real-world fuel economy between 11 and 13 miles per gallon. Over several years of ownership, that fuel consumption alone can cost thousands more than a standard half-ton pickup. The suspension system is another major expense. The Raptor's specialized Fox racing shocks are incredibly capable off-road but extremely expensive to replace, sometimes costing over $1,000 per shock. Combine that with large off-road tires, expensive brake components, and higher insurance costs, and the Raptor becomes a truck that delivers incredible fun but also substantial long-term expenses. At number 8 we have the 2014 to 2018 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel, equipped with a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine developed by VM Motori. When this truck launched, it promised excellent fuel economy and impressive torque for towing. However, several reliability concerns soon appeared. Many owners experienced failures involving the EGR system, turbochargers, and diesel particulate filters. Repairs to emissions components alone can easily exceed $3,000. There were also lawsuits and recalls related to emissions performance that further affected the truck's reputation. While the EcoDiesel can achieve good highway fuel economy when everything works correctly, the cost of maintaining diesel-specific components can quickly outweigh those savings. Depreciation has also been significant because buyers worry about potential repair costs once the factory warranty expires. Coming in at number 7 are the 2011 to 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD and GMC Sierra 2500 HD, equipped with the 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine and Allison transmission. These trucks are extremely capable workhorses and widely respected in the heavy-duty segment. However, they can become financially challenging for owners who aren't prepared for diesel maintenance costs. The Duramax engine relies on complex emissions equipment, including the diesel particulate filter and DEF injection system. When these systems fail, repair costs can be extremely high. Some owners have reported repair bills exceeding $5,000 to replace clogged or malfunctioning emissions components. The high-pressure fuel injection system is another potential expense. Injectors and fuel pumps on modern diesel engines are precision components that are very expensive to replace. While the Duramax itself is strong, the surrounding systems can make long-term ownership far more costly than many buyers anticipate. Number 6 is the 2010 to 2016 Ram 2500 and Ram 3500 with the 6.7-liter Cummins high-output diesel engine. The Cummins brand has an incredible reputation for durability, but these trucks often experience expensive issues related to supporting components. Turbochargers, injectors, and exhaust aftertreatment systems are common sources of costly repairs. Because these trucks are often used for heavy towing and commercial work, drivetrain components such as transmissions and differentials can also wear out faster than expected. A complete turbo replacement can cost several $1,000s, while injector replacement can add another significant bill. Owners who use these trucks heavily may find themselves spending large amounts of money just to keep them operating reliably. Halfway through the list at number 5 is the 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra, particularly models powered by the 5.7-liter iForce V8 engine. Toyota has a reputation for reliability, and the Tundra is certainly durable. However, the financial downside comes from poor fuel economy and outdated design. While competitors introduced more efficient turbocharged engines and lighter aluminum bodies, the Tundra remained largely unchanged for over a decade. Many owners report fuel economy between 13 and 15 miles per gallon, which is worse than several competing trucks. When fuel prices rise, this becomes a major long-term expense. The Tundra also had a higher initial purchase price than many rivals while offering less modern technology and lower towing capability. This combination often results in higher depreciation compared to newer trucks with more advanced features. At number 4 we have the 2016 to 2019 Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon equipped with the 2.8-liter Duramax diesel engine. These mid-size diesel pickups promised excellent torque and impressive fuel economy in a smaller package. While they can be efficient on the highway, the complexity of diesel emissions systems once again becomes a financial concern. The diesel particulate filter requires regular regeneration cycles, and if the truck is driven mostly on short trips, the system may not operate correctly. This can lead to warning lights, reduced performance, and expensive dealership visits. Replacing emissions components or repairing fuel system parts can cost thousands of dollars, which is a significant percentage of the truck's overall value.